Right, so I thought I'd do another, well, an update video. I've not done one for quite a while. Land Rover, been and gone. I ended up getting conjunctivitis and I was off work for 2 weeks, and the fella come and picked his Land Rover back up, and that was that type of thing. So yeah. So Almera wants a gearbox. That's the box there with the yellow marker there for it. The oil that come out the gearbox was silvery, an aluminium colour, and there's bits of teeth that come out with the oil. So he wants a gearbox, new clutch, and should be good to go, or at least going for the MOT after a clean and an headlight polish. I've got this Punto in. It's one of my brothers that we bought to sell on. So he cleaned it yesterday, so it's been valeted. It's not a bad little car. It's got the usual quirks of a Fiat Punto on this age, 07. So you'll get them where you can't open the door. You have to press, just one-handed. Put pressure there, so I'll do that with my elbow, then lift. It should. There we go. There we go. So there's a modified door catch out for him, so you can move it, because that's all it is to it. You have to put pressure there, lift, and it does open. And the boot with these on the Puntos, if you can't get in your boot, there's a safety release there. Let's see if we can show you. Right, so we'll lock the lock position, and that's just a safety release. It's just an electronic boot. So yeah. So it's just electronic boot, catch mechanism, latch, whatever you want to call it. So I've already checked with my power probe just to under the condition that it should be working, so you can get in power and ground to all the terminals correctly when I operate the key fob and the unlock. So it's more likely that, just waiting for the breakers to open. I'll go up and see the lad at the breaker, because we've got one of these Fiat Puntos in. The blue one that I had, I'm not sure if I did a video on that, we had a blue one in that you could only start it on a bump start or a push. And I think this is the starter off the one from the breaker. So I replaced the earth cable with a decent earth cable, because they always break on them. Starter had been replaced, and what it was the way they work on the Punto starters, that contact point there as it goes to the solenoid with the solder on there, there's a high build-up of resistance there, so it wasn't sending, because that outer ring, that outer terminal, is your ignition or crank live from your ignition switch. So if you've got a high resistance build-up, it won't crank it. So that's gone, that's sold. Got a Kia Picanto, a Corsa, a new shape Clio, a Peugeot 207, the 206 sold yesterday. So yeah, this Punto's even got air conditioning on this one. So yeah, the earth cable usually breaks, usually the one. So you undo that 10mm nut, so you can get a torch, get some light. $10mm nut, undo that, and then that's your earth to your fuse box, I think. Can't remember off the top of my head. And then it's the full earth cable that connects on the battery that usually breaks. So that goes down to the chassis leg there, where that nut is, and then it goes to the gearbox there. Common on the puntos for gearboxes failing and clutches. I think the diffs usually go on them. I'm not sure if it's the bearings or what, but they just usually whine, and yeah. So yeah, that's it. Any questions, just ask. I'm hoping to get a few more videos up again. Just kind of been busy. Got some bits for the black recovery truck, the Mark 5 Transit. I've got a new turbocharger cartridge, getting the clutch for it. There's other bits and pieces for it, little bits of relays and other bits and pieces, so I can, and switches, so I can make a proper switch panel. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and a subscribe if you like the content, and subscribe if you want to see more of the content. I'm hoping to get some more uploaded soon. So yeah, thanks for watching.